Rainbow nectar for the birds. Butter blueberry crisp to get you ready for winter.
And a sack load of apples fresh kicked from the tree.
Oh, thank you, Applejack. Those are the skunks' favorites.
Gotta give it to you, Fluttershy. Ain't no pony that knows critters like you do.
I'm sure you could understand what they're feeling if you tried. Even if you can't talk to them, you can still read their body language.
You, feel like dancing?
He feels like it's time for me to feed the ducks. Here you go.
Okay. Now you feel like dancing? Well, that's just rude.
I think he's trying to tell us... Oh, our cutie marks are glowing.
Hoo-wee! We just got called to a friendship quest. Come on, Fluttershy, let's get our gallop on. Whoa, what's wrong? Snake on my path? Danger ahead?
Now he just feels like dancing.